So in this compound we have to find which of the oxo acid of sulfur has OO linkage. So in this question we have to form a structure of all of these compounds and we will find the compound which have the following linkage. So we draw the structure one by one. So here it is H2SO8, which is nothing but peroxide sulfuric acid. So we draw its structure. Here it is its structure. So here we can find the OO linkage. So correct option is option first. We will also need to draw the all of their structure, all of the compound option structures. So here it is structure of H2S2O7, pyrosulfuric acid, H2SO3, sulfurous acid, and H2SO4 sulfuric acid. Here there is nothing structure of OO linkage, no structure of OO linkage here. So these are not the correct options. So correct option is first H2SO, H2S2O8.